You are just a teacher. You want all of us to pass. If we do participate, our parents.
Word of the day, apparently.
And how are they going to pass if they don't attend? How are you going to pass if you always absent? You must participate. Come to school every time. Even when you see that you are bored, you know, we don't do anything. No, participate. Listen. Yeah, know some new things. You see, most of us here we didn't know what is the introduction.
Oh,
but now we know what is the introduction. If you go in the group chat.